180 as our next to join us. Here comes HJ El Magnifico. Eduardo Braun has the ride, riding his own entry from Bend, Oregon. A 12-year-old Zangersheim gelding. Ridden here by Eduardo Braun, these two are on a bit of a hot streak as they have finished in the top placings for the last 2 weeks in both the $25,000 and $30,000 Grand Prix. And now on to show in our final. It's HJ El Magnifico. And lucky number 7 to qualify for the jump-off round, HJ El Magnifico and Eduardo Braun look to keep their trend of staying in those top placings alive. A clean round, and now we have